Alright, driving up Mount Spokane here. Here's what I see so far. Hold on a second. I'll show you. It's a long ways down, obviously. We don't want to go over the edge. Maybe I'll pick a few huckleberries while I'm up here. It's such a thin road for being so popular up here. I mean, look at this thing. There's like nothing to it. Yeah, not a fun road to drive on. But it's okay. I don't know what lake is over here to our right. Almost to the top of this mountain peak, as you can see. Yeah, passing people's fun. You almost have to get right on the edge, and there is no edge. If you can see right here, it's a long ways down. You do not want to die there. Well, yeah, some of these areas right here are ski runs. They come right across the road. Up here on the right, straight ahead of us, you can see a sign. This is all ski resort area right here. And then down here, you can see the resort right there. Whoop. All right, big corner. We gotta go around here. Dang. So right up on the top of this sucker. I'm gonna go up here and take a little look-see around and see what I can see up top side. I am still going up. To our right is the top of the mountain, and it's still a long ways up. And as you can see, this road goes up and then takes a right and just kind of doubles back around and around. Yeah, you don't want to lose your brakes on this hill, that's for sure. Yeah, so pretty interesting. Well, when I guess I'll just show you guys the rest of the way up. I didn't start at the bottom because it's a long drive. I started just about a quarter of the way up the mountain already, so I'll just continue to the top so you can see what it's like up here on Mount Spokane. And I know up here you can see a lot of different lakes and things like that. You can definitely see the fires over here if you look directly that way. You can see the fires burning on those hillsides there. That is the Three Sisters Mountains. That's basically where I grew up, is out over on those mountains. So it's kind of sad. Some of the property that burnt up there was my great-grandfather's, or my great-grandfather's, something like that. And he was the first one in Scotts Valley area up there to have draft horses. Way back in the day. I think it was Belgium or Perkington, I forgot what they're called. But not Clydesdales, but he did have Belgian horses. This is a ski run here. Does not look fun. Still going up. And here's part of the ski lift. You can see right there, right over the road to the left there, you can see a lift there. So yeah, this is all part of their ski runs here. No spank you. Now I'm still going up, guys. We're almost 5 minutes into this into this video, and I am still going up, and I can just see the top of the towers up here. I don't know, I've just never been one to be real happy with heights. I don't know why. but so it just bothered me. Whoa, not much of a road here, guys. Do not want to drive off the edge of this sucker. But it dropped about 20 degrees just coming up to where we're at here. I don't quite know the elevation anymore. I used to, but I don't really come up here a lot anymore. That's one.